The Textbefore function is a great text tool when trying to extract text before a certain delimiter in your Excel spreadsheet. Let's start here in cell B5. I'll say equal text before. This one's relatively new, but it's super easy to use. Here in my example, I want to go ahead and extract or grab all the last names from my information column here. I could type them out by hand, but the text before function makes it a lot easier. Here I have two arguments, text and delimiter. Text is what text are you trying to work with to extract information from. That text is going to be found here in cell A5, comma. Delimiter means at what point does Excel extract text before in the text string. So here I'll say extract text before the comma, which separates my last names and first names. So I'll say, in quotes, a comma. Now I have more arguments that are here, but none of which are required. Those are more optional. I'll go ahead and close it out and push enter. And here I extracted my last name and it's stopping before the comma, since the comma was my delimiter. I can take this, double click the formula down, and I see my text before function in action.